got the boy Supzilla driving the manual right now. So I came through because I was just gonna do little tire stickers on my shit. I'm trying to make the car look fast before it's actually fast. But he said, yeah, bro. But he told me he got his intake, so I think we're gonna take his intake and put it on this one today too. And yeah, supposedly it gets really loud. I'm trying to get some little clips.
Hey, I have a guarantee. If it doesn't get loud, I'll give you the money back.
All right, money back. $50 back. All right, sold me the intake for $50.
Damn, it wants me to be in 6.
Drop it in second right now. Drop it in second. Go for it. Alright, we're doing this quick. Well, I'll do the tire letters. I'm not recording or doing a how-to because I done that with the gen already. I'll just post the link on that video. It's looking decent. It's gonna be fast. But got the homie. Hey, he finished up with the intake though. Now it's a true fast boy.
Man, we gotta hear the spoolie noises.
Yeah.
We gotta be a spoolie boy. We're not gonna start NA no more.
No more NA. What's next? Tune? For the flames? Like that shirt?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Oh bro, you know what? Let me see. I haven't seen your... Cause I only seen it on post. But god damn, bro, look at that. He had the toe hook in here.
No.
Jesus, bro.
Our wrap is all messed up here.
Yeah.
Wait till you look at the other side.
All for the
other
content.
side's the best part.
Damn. Hey, that's what happens when you got money. Don't give a fuck.
Hey, nah, I don't
Don't give a fuck.
I need money, bro. Donate. I got an OnlyFans. No. Alright, so we just got everything on. Hold on, let me get this focused. Alright, cool. Alright, you ready?
I'm ready, bro.
That's the first reaction.
First reaction? Yo, hey, that's loud, bro. I fuck with it. I'm gonna go straight just to do it again.
I told you.
Damn, bro. She's making noises.
I told you, make a little flutter too.
Yeah. Right there. Hey, this is not my car, bro. What is it? Damn.
I told you, man.
Bro. I like it.
So much better, huh?
Yeah.
Told you, man. See? You gotta listen to me.
Yeah,
I give him that Supzilla taste, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Hey, that's dope. I fuck with it. You were right. It's loud.
I'm always right. Yeah, just go like ease into it. Don't even do a pull. Just ease into it so you can get build boost, and you'll just hear spool the whole time.
Okay.
Cause you were just going straight blow off, blow off. Ease into it, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, it wasn't doing that.
what?
It wasn't even doing that.
Now you can hella hear the spool. There you go. Crazy. Oh, be careful, there's someone there.
Huh?
The lady, oh, okay, she passed. Next thing you know, baby goes flying.
No.
Yo, this is crazy. It sounds different than mine though, for sure. You're a little bit louder, I feel like.
You think?
I think so. It's probably that 6-port stuff.
I don't know. Well, probably because you have exhaust and you can't even hear yourself.
No, even I had just a downpipe.
Yeah?
I was hearing it, yeah. It's way louder. I'm thinking it's the 6-port. It has something to do with it. It spools it more aggressively.
Yeah. Alright, where's this Home Depot at?
You gotta go back that way. Or, yeah, let me turn it off.
Fast boy. Fast boy. fuck it. We just ended the video, but I was trying to hear what this sounds like from the outside, so I told them could do a little quick spin. I want to hear it.
Oh yeah, you definitely need gas.
Yeah. Got like 50 miles left. But yeah. Let's see what it sounds like. Where are you gonna go? Over here. I can't zoom in more. It's a little windy right now. And my mic broke. So. That sounds good, bro. Oh, this wind. That's hella quick. Sounds hella good. She looks fast too now.
Alright, he's driving the Supra.
Driving the Supra. Just leave it right there, or
Yeah, just put it in the sport mode. Here, put it in the sport mode.
ooh. Ooh. You sit hella far back.
Yeah, I like to chill.
Damn, never been in a loud Supra.
Oh, you missed out the word fast.
Fast too. Damn. Alright.
Yeah, so just get rolling up to like, I don't know, third gear.
We'll
Alright,
do
go
30,
ahead.
30 what?
Yeah, 30 to whatever.
Alright. I'm just having fun with bro, that was quick, but the paddle shifting, bro, is just so fun.
Yeah, you don't even have to let off the gas.
Huh?
You don't have to let out the gas.
No?
It's not a manual.
Alright.
Yeah, just wait till you pass those trucks, then do a U-turn, and then just do it again.
Alright, bet. Oh yeah, you felt that, right? I was like, so you just leave it
Yeah, just full throttle, just full throttle. That's actually, my pops are like toned down. That's like minimum.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can make it sound like an AK.
But not on this tune right now?
No, I can on this tune. I just have to pull out my phone and do it.
Damn, bro. This fucking steering wheel is awesome too.
Thank you, bro.
The shifting is good, bro. That's how my manual feels?
That's a bit faster, bro.
Yeah. This is dope, bro. That's why I wanted an auto first, bro. But like I think you told me on my couple friends to like just get from it. But I wanted that new feeling, bro, with the paddles.
It's different, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, feel free whenever you're out here, just drive it, bro.
Damn. This is lit.
You think it's faster than yours right now?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm on only an 18 PSI. I'm not like pushing any power. It's like stock power almost.
Trying to do 40, bro?
Try it. Try it out.
Trying to race a 40, bro?
Yeah. You wanna try 40 right now?
On second or third?
Third.
Only third? Okay. We'll do the roll though.
Yeah?
Do the roll, yeah.
After you heat soak my car? Yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
How was that?
Bro, it's fun. And now I know why you be driving it. Hella.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Make me feel like I'm in a Lambo. The way it shifts.
Yeah, right?
It's quick, bro. The way it shifts is fast. It almost feels like a dual clutch, and it's not even a dual clutch.
That's how you be driving normally?
Yeah. That'd be chilling. I love it. You can hear the turbo all the time. Like damn near.
Yeah.
When you let off though, you can't hear shit. But then like you put some throttle on it,
Yeah.
you'll slowly hear it spooling up. It goes up to 8 gears. Driving like it's
Like a what?
like it's like a manual. You stop at 6.
Yeah, I'm not used to going all the way up.
You see how dead it is, right? Like it's dead low RPM and then it hits like 4,000 RPM.
Yeah.
It's super dead.
Yeah, mine hits early.
Like if I don't brake boost or anything, like it will be slow. And then I'll catch up.
Yeah. Nah, but yeah, just the paddle shifting, bro. It's hella fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that shit was on, bro. Okay, sir. You can go AK mode. God. Hey, bro, how can I get that?
I get to it.
Oh, shit. All right, do it while driving now. Let's get out of here. That's dope.
It's too loud.
It's good. Alright, man, we done with the intake side letters. We're gonna go home and pick up the jack that I bought. But it was a good day, finally meeting this dude. Yes, sir.
There you go. That's
So
it right there.
we'll see. You heard that, right? Shit was perfect. Yeah, but we're gonna figure out to hopefully we can do a meet.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
Hopefully.
With the Supras and the GTRs, they'll be lit. And
Come out to the bay.
go out, he gotta go to the bay. You need a wash. But
I'm collecting, bro.
you're collecting?
You never know. You never know what type of bugs you get, you know?
This guy. Bro, you gotta take this shit off like later today, bro. Like, bro.
Let's see.
I'll
Hold on,
tell
let's
you
see.
this
I actually did. I did a
Nah.
poll. Let's see. Let's see if it's taking off or it's staying on.
No, bro, take that shit off.
Oh, bro, look.
Take no 50%, 51.
This has gotta be
bro.
like.
That's crazy. Alright, fuck it. Whatever. Alright, man, but Maurice, it was good seeing this guy. Too bad we didn't get to see his gen back when
Oh yeah.
he had it. Poor guy. Where did she die anyway? What street?
Still alive.
Nah,
It's
she
in LA.
dead. She dead,
It's
man.
in LA.
It's in LA.
It's in LA. Someone has a white body.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Covered.
Alright, man. See you guys in the next one. Later. Supzilla.
out.
The famous Supzilla. That's not as fuck.